So CARTITUDE-1 study investigated the BCMA targeting CAR T cell product called Cilta-cel. It's a dual targeting molecule or cell product. It was evaluated earlier in this CARTITUDE-1 study in relapsed refractory late stage patients. In this study, 97 patients were enrolled. Patients were very advanced disease, median lines of therapy were 6. Very resistant disease population, 88% patients were triple class refractory, 42% had penta-refractory disease, almost quarter of the patient had high risk disease. So very advanced patient population were treated with single treatment of cilta-cel. The results were presented and published earlier, which led to its approval for commercial purpose both in the United States and in Europe and Asian countries. What I'm presenting now is the final results or update of this study. So overall response rate is incredible. It's 98% with 83% patient achieving complete remission or stringent complete remission. The critically new data is that now the median PFS has been reached, which is 35 months, and median duration of response is 34 months, which is incredibly high for the type of patients we treated. With the standard of care treatment, we would expect responses or the PFS in the range of at the most 9 to 12 months. The overall survival, the PFS would be actually 3 to 4 months. So very effective treatment. And we find that patients who get deeper responses have a longer PFS. So if you look at a 30-month PFS, it's 75% for patients who had a sustained MRD negativity. So they're doing exceedingly well. And the overall survival has not yet been reached, but at 30 months, the overall survival is 63%. And so very, very promising result. An important finding is that this outcome, PFS, and also the responses do not correlate with persistence of CAR T cell and or expansion, which is a little bit different than in general what we believe. So overall, this study really highlights that a single infusion of CAR T cell provides deep and durable responses. Now, this is going to change how we treat myeloma. It already has because it's commercially available. But there are studies being done to bring it forward. Earlier, CARTITUDE-4 study showed that compared to standard of care treatment, the cilta-cel given as a single infusion provides much better outcome, even in earlier stage patients between 1 and 3 lines of prior treatment. And so it is going to come early, and it might end up becoming mainstay of our consolidation regimen for treatment for even newly diagnosed myeloma.